A pleasant good day, sir, madam. I'm Desiree Magbanwa, 34 years old, married with 2 kids. I work in Lebanon for 8 years as domestic helper. And now I decide to find a new job in Hong Kong.
Why did you choose to apply to work in Hong Kong, Miss Daisy?
I choose in Hong Kong because it is near to my family. And my experience to my previous work, it is suitable to my employer.
Can you describe yourself, Miss Daisy?
I'm friendly to my employer, straight and forward, dedicated to my job given to me. I'm honest, and can easily work with.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook Chinese food as simple like fried rice and noodles. And also I know how to cook some other foods.
Do you know how to take good care of a baby, Miss Daisy?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to take care of baby because to my previous work, I take care for kids, and to the youngest, I take care from birth to 8 years.
Do you know how to take good care of elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to take care of elderly. I have patience, ma'am.
What is your final message then to your future employer, Miss Daisy?
To my employer, my future employer, Sir Mom, I am willing to hard work with you and dedicated to your family, and I will try my best to work with you. Thank you, sir, madam.